Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable hide notification badges of silence apps on the home screen for a focus mode on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in here, we scroll down and then tap on Focus. Next, tap on a focus profile, then tap on Options. Next in here, tap on Hide Notification Badges. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. This will allow the phone to hide notification badges of silence apps only on your home screen. Your other apps will continue to be badged. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.